Okay guys, we're going to do the last part. Part 5 will be numbers 41 through 48 only. We're going to skip 49 and 50. And so don't do 49 and 50. We will replace those on the test. I'll replace those on the test with something similar to what you've seen before. So we got 41 is find a geometric mean. Alright, again, easy points here. We have two numbers, we need the geometric mean. So we got 50 over x equals x over 2. That's 100. That's x squared. Take the square root. X equals 10, which is number 41. The answer is C. Okay. 42. We got a triangle with a missing side, and it's a right triangle. So if we have a triangle with a missing side and it's a right triangle, we will use the Pythagorean theorem to solve for it. So it's going to be 1 squared plus 2.4 squared equals x squared, and remember x is c, so it's our hypotenuse. So we're going to have 1 plus 5.76. This is 6.76 equals x squared. Take the square root. Our answer is x equals 2.6, which is answer B on the test. Remember, whenever you have a right triangle and you have two sides given, you can always find the third side by using the Pythagorean theorem. Number 43. Okay, this time they're giving us three sides. They want to know which one is a right triangle. Well, what you do for all three of these is you plug them into the Pythagorean theorem, and whatever one works, this is equals 29 squared. Whatever one works will be a triangle. So this is 400 plus 441 equals 841, and this side equals this side, therefore this is your right triangle. The other ones will not work, so the answer is A. Now, if the answer was not A, then I would have to do the same thing that I did here, but do it with answer B to see if it works. And if B was not the answer, I have to choose C and try it with C. So you have to try it with all of them if you don't get the right answer right away. 44. 44 is just the Pythagorean theorem again. I will not do this one. This is just like the test you just took, and you guys did really well, but it's just use the Pythagorean theorem. 45. We have a picture that I have to draw, because if I gotta draw it, you guys should have to draw it. It says we have a right ABC. A is a right triangle. This is A. B is 45 degrees, so this corner here is 45, which makes this corner 45. And it says AB is 31 feet. They want to know what BC is. So what you do is, this is a special right triangle, section 8.2 in your study guides. And what we know is that if this side's 31, then to find the hypotenuse you multiply by the 31 times the square root of 2. And the answer is given as that. So this is A. 31 square root of 2. 46 we're going to skip because the picture does not work for the 30, 60, 90 triangle. But I'm going to show you what would work. If I gave you a triangle. So now I'm putting in my own problem, because the one in the book is wrong. And I told you that this was 12, and I had you find BC. So it's a 30, 60, 90 triangle. So we do 12 times 2 to get x, which would be 24. Okay? So now let me tell you that I have 12 here, but I want you to find the long leg. So I want you to find this x. So now you take 12 and you multiply by the square root of 3. That'll give you the answer for AB. Okay? Also for the 30, 60, 90 triangle, if I wanted you to find x, and I gave you 24, here's the hypotenuse, then you would divide by 2 to get x. So that would be 12. Also, if I put the 24 down here, okay, and I wanted you to find x, then you would divide this by the square root of 3. And I don't know what that number is, but that's how you would do it. Okay, those are just something I threw in for you. Now 47. You have a triangle. B is here. They want the cos of B. So 7, here's your sides they give you. So they just want the fraction, that the correct ratio that comes from the cos of B. Well, here's B. And cosine, remember, this side is opposite, this side is adjacent from B, and this side is the hypotenuse. Well, cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. So our answer is going to be 7 over 25, which is D on our practice midterm. Okay, last one is 48. I told you 49 and 50 we will be skipping. Actually, I'll just give them to you on the test. So you're going to actually have 2 freebies because I can't change the test now. 48, you have to draw the picture. Draw the picture. We have a ladder that's 24-foot ladder. It says it makes an 18-degree angle with the wall. Okay? Or the side of the building, whatever it is. How far is the base of the ladder from the base of the building? So they want x. So we use our trig functions. We have 18 here. We're looking from this corner. 24 is our hypotenuse. X is adjacent, so we're going to use cosine of 18 equals x over 24, and then you multiply both sides by 24, and that'll be your answer. And that answer will be 28.3 feet. Okay, remember, I'm here tomorrow all day. We're working on this, or Tuesday before the final, so if you have any other questions in class, I can answer them. But the final or the midterm is very similar to this. I need you to work on this seriously in class and at home, and to try your best. Follow along on the videos. Hopefully they help you.